It's Alley Cat Seeking Truth, Blue Springs, Missouri, December 2nd, I think. I've been noticing that like the birds are just like all of them, every breed. I've got woodpeckers, I've got birds that I've never even seen before, I've never heard before, and it's been since yesterday that I noticed. Just listen. I don't know if the camera will pick up the rumble. It's just like this constant jet sound in the sky. And I understand we have CMEs and all kinds of solar things happening, so I wasn't sure if that had anything to do with it. It's very cold, so I'm going to make this short. Let's just zoom into this. That's obviously not our sun. Our sun's not blue. Our sun is more likely, oh, I don't know. Oh. Do you hear the rumble? I know there's a car along. The birds freaking. Nature's just acting weird, and I don't know. I do a lot of sitting with nature, especially on this back patio. And I can definitely tell you that at almost noon, these birds are acting strange. I think it's almost noon. Hold on. Okay, I apologize. 10:48. So our sun is more likely down there, and the blue thing is not. That's what I'm trying to say. If I can find it again. It's so bright. You hear all the birds? They feel something. Just wondering if anybody else has been outside Missouri, Kansas, anywhere, and noticed some changes in their animals around. They're pretty cute though. It's not that I'm not enjoying it all, but concerning.